This is MXKDI here. I have another motherboard. It's a Intel Socket 775 Micro ATX, model number DG41TY, and it does support Intel Core 2 processors. Here's a PCI Express times 16 slot right here, PCI Express times 1 slot, 2 PCI slots right here, floppy connector header right there for the audio header right here, serial header right there, 2 USB headers right there, HD audio link header right there, front panel header for power on and off right there, 4 SATA connectors right there, IDE connector header right there, 24 pin for the power, CPU fan header right there, 2 DDR slots, north bridge, south bridge, 4 pin for the power, system rear fan header right there, PS for the keyboard, mouse, pedal port, VGA port, DVI port, 4 USB ports, LAN and audio. So yeah guys, this is the battery socket right there, and this is for the front panel fan header right there. So yeah guys, this is gonna be end of the video. This is for the Socket 775 motherboard DG41TY. Thanks for watching. Bye.